kiddos, and welcome back to my channel. I told you I was back with my hauls because I am back with another haul. We're gonna get straight into it because there's a lot of items in here and I have a lot to say. Before we start, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's free and you get a cookie. And follow my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Snapchat because I do things on there. I spent some moolah at Fashion Nova. I decided to buy things because, I don't know, I felt like my last haul just wasn't enough. I feel like I didn't have enough things and I've been clearing out my closet like crazy. So I figured I would do this to my bank account. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm a little bit disappointed in some items and you will see why. I've always been a huge spokesperson for Fashion Nova and I know there's like, you know, good things and bad things, but for me it has been mostly good until today. I'm gonna start with the good things because I feel like the good things deserve to be first, right? Or should we switch it up and just go with the bad? No, let's go with the good. Okay, I have my box next to me because it is filled with things. Now expect another haul because, dude, like, I just feel like this was just a hit or miss for me. And where is it? No, I have hella things in here. So first thing I got this Velour. I'm assuming that's the fabric because this is like the juicy couture sweatsuit, you know, like from the 2000s. I felt like Chuchi from the Cheetah Girls. I really like this. I've never owned one before and I figured, you know, you guys know I like black. I'm wearing black right now. You can't go wrong with black. Black is classy. Black will never go out of style. Black is it. It always has been it. I'm very passionate about black. I think they have a pink one and they might have a gray one. I'm not sure if they have any other colors, to be honest. I know there's a pink one going around. I got this in an extra large. Where's the tag? Where you at, boo? This time I kept all the tags because I've learned my lesson. All right, this is called the Original Trendsetter Velour Set, size extra large. I always want things to fit well, so I've started to get extra larges in a lot of things, especially for sweaters and stuff like that. I want it to be comfortable and roomy. This is perfect. The bottoms, I always get an extra large anyway, so that's what I needed. I could have gone for a 1X, to be honest, for it to be roomy for me, but they're still very comfortable. I like it. I love the look. I cannot wait to take a picture in this. They're not as high-waisted as I would like them to be, but that's okay. I mean, they're just sweatpants. It is what it is. And the sweatshirt is a good length. I feel comfy. They got cuffs at the bottom too of the pants. The pants are just like your jogger type. They're not like the flared ones from the 2000s, and you know, they're comfy and it's getting hella cold over here, so this is perfect for when I just want to slum it but still look like a cute trendsetter like the Cheetah Girls. I love the Cheetah Girls. That's the first thing. I'm just gonna pick out from this pile because I honestly... Oh, this was a fun one, an interesting one. Okay, also black. I'm sorry. I told you. This is all I wear. It's in the accessories, all right? You guys know I accessorize like a motherfucker. We have a sweater dress. I'm gonna say this. I'm very pleased with the sweater material that I've gotten lately. You're gonna see another sweater in here. Before, the sweaters that I got from Fashion Nova were just not good, and I'm pretty sure they're reaching out to new retailers or something because the tags sometimes don't say Fashion Nova, they just say, yeah, see, like this is Dreamers. Yeah, I think they're just reaching out to new retailers or something because definitely not the quality that I have gotten before, and this is so soft and nice and very, very comfortable to wear. It's supposed to be more slouchy than it is. I got it in a medium large. It was like a M/L. That's because I don't think they had an extra large at all. So yeah, I think this is not in the curve section. Otherwise I definitely would have gotten an extra large. It's still long enough for me to wear. I definitely would put this with like a little belt or something to cinch in the waist. I don't want to look like a potato sack. And I love the crazy turtleneck situation that's happening here. It has like a little slit on the side and everything. I think it's just really cute. It's perfect for fall for some knee-high boots, some like snakeskin ones. Oh my god, that would be such a look. I do have some really cute belts that are kind of just chains, and I think that would just be cute and like a cute little low bun. I think I took the tag off. Okay, great. I was doing so great. Sorry. I'll have everything like below as always. Okay, another sweater. Now let's show you some color this time. So we have lavender. This does also not have a tag. This is a nice, really slouchy, very slinky, like very stretchy material. I got this in a large, right? Yes. And look, another retailer right here. I really like the sleeves. I don't know what this is called, but here's what it looks like. It reminds me of the sleeves from my other haul that I just did. This is also a good length. It's not cropped, and I had a comment on my previous video saying that it's like there's no in between, and I beg to differ. This is long as fuck, and I mean, I don't wish for it to be cropped, but I have a short torso, so things kind of fit me a little bit longer sometimes. Long sweaters kind of bother me if they're not meant to be long. Does that make sense? I just feel like it doesn't hug figure too well. Regardless, this is cute. You can still tuck it in. Like, you don't even need to wear anything under this. It's not itchy at all. Next. Oh, okay, my favorite pair of jeans. You've seen me wear these all the time, so I just sold a pair on Poshmark because they were too big for me. These also have them in, of course, a straight size and plus size. They have them in the even numbers as well. So I had gotten the other ones in a 15. No, I'm sorry. I got them in a 14, and they were just a little bit too loose on me, and I don't like gap in my waist. Like, I have one pair. This is my second pair now, and I sold the other pair. I'm sorry, but these are the charcoal gray with this like the holes in the knee. These fit so great, but I don't know if it's because the ones that I've been wearing are so worn in that the new ones aren't as, like, they don't fit as nicely on me. And I know these are the jeans that I love. These are called All For You high-rise jeans in a size 13. Still have the tags. I haven't worn them yet, and I feel like they're I don't know if they're changing the fabric, but I really hope not, because these are literally my favorite. I wear the other ones all the time. It's kind of absurd how much I wear them, and it's because they're not black and they're also not blue. It's just like a really nice toned down color, you know what I mean? But these jeans are it. I love these so much, and I really hope maybe I just got a bad pair, but I swear these jeans fit so nice. Maybe if I do have to wear them in a little bit, that's fine, but when I tried them on, I was like, damn, they don't fit as well as the other one. So I'm not sure. I don't know how I feel about this right now. All I know is these are my favorite jeans at the moment. At least the other pair that I have are beautiful, and they're so soft and stretchy and like kind of gummy, but still hold structure. Just everything you want in a jean. This one's got it, but I'm confused. The waistband is just a little bit too tight. I'm not sure, but wow, shocker, we have a turtleneck. So this is more of a knitted fabric. This is another one of the retailers. This one is Bozzolo. I don't think you can look stuff up by the retailer because I don't think that's what they do, but anyway, this is a knitted fabric. I will say it's a little bit see-through and it's kind of disappointing, but either way, it's winter, so I'm gonna be layering stuff anyway, so I don't think it's good. I don't care. This one is see-through too, and I'm wearing it anyway, so that doesn't deter me from wearing a product sometimes. It's a nice knitted fabric. It kind of has these like little squares. That's what the knitted like pattern is. That was interesting. Gives a little bit more, you know, pizzazz, I guess. The thong part, it's not super stretchy, so yeah, I got this in a large, but I probably would have been happier with an extra large. Kind of like rides up way deep in there, and it kind of hurts a little bit, but yeah, not much to it. I just really like neutral colors, as you know. Oh, I'm excited about this. I might wear this actually. We have a puffer jacket. I do not own a white puffer jacket. Oh, this is messing up my lighting. So I don't have a white puffer jacket, but I really wanted one because duh, winter's coming, but I don't have anything white outerwear wise. I always keep it kind of in the neutral or dark because I'm kind of messy, and honestly, I'm bound to stain this, and I hope I don't jinx myself. I need wood. Where's the wood? Where's the wood? I really like it. I got this in an extra large because I always recommend people to go a little bit bigger on their outerwear, just because you're gonna layer things. I could have a sweater under this, or just, you know, a shirt, flannel, you know what, flannel, I don't know about flannel, but you know what I mean, just like this is what I get for living in the city. I'm pretty sure it wasn't a big deal. Anyways, this has silver hardware. The zipper goes all the way down. It's kind of on the crop side, which makes things easier for me. Nothing bad to say about this. Oh, it has a little cuff wrist. I also like that it doesn't have a hood because this just looks better when there's no hood. This was an interesting one. Okay, again, black. I'm sorry. I apologize. I tried to switch it up, I really did. I got this interesting jumpsuit. This is called Easy Breeze long sleeve jumpsuit. I got this in an extra large. This looked like better material on the website, but I knew it was gonna be this cottony, you know, flimsy, whatever. I mainly just wanted it for my lazy days. I didn't mean this to be, you know, like a going out jumpsuit or anything. I just figured that it would be comfy, like to run errands or something like that. It's a little bit see-through on the sleeves. You can see, literally. But it's double lined with the same material where, you know, your boobs are and stuff, so you can't see your boobs at all. This tie thing where you can stretch it out and then scrunch it again, so you can see the little keyhole right on your stomach. It's a little bit big on my torso because I have like narrow shoulders and stuff, so that's probably why, but the rest fits fine. And the waistband is nice. It's not constricting. That's really the whole point of this jumpsuit. And it has cuffed legs. So it's cool. I like it. Nothing insane. It almost kind of goes off the shoulders for me. Although it is twerkable. I will say your booty will jump in this. So your booty's gonna... I do like it though. I mean, again, it's just good for running errands. Okay, next, I wore these jeans yesterday, so I have them like literally all the way over there. They're these acid wash cropped high-rise jeans. I love the wash on these. I do wish I would have gotten a 15 though, because I did not know how tight and not stretchy these were. On the website, it did say it had some stretch, and usually I still get a 13, but these are kind of more like mom jeans. Like the material's thicker. It's like the thick denim almost. Yeah, I definitely recommend sizing up one size. I feel like it would save you a lot of trouble. They still fit. They're just like a little bit on the tighter side, even though I know if you wear them a couple times they'll loosen up a bit, so it should be fine. Just for comfort wise, I went to brunch with my friend and I sat down and there were creases on my stomach, and that was hella uncomfortable. I don't like when that happens. It hurts. I love that you can wear it with booties. I took a picture and this bitch was looking fire, but I feel like I need a little extra seasoning in my closet. Okay, next I have a long sleeve top. It's a mock neck. This is called Love Like This bodysuit in the color tan, size large. This is really nice slinky fabric. I keep saying slinky, I mean, you know, it's like it stretches a lot, it's comfortable. For some reason, I don't know if they didn't make these long enough, but like they're definitely on the shorter side, so it kind of hurts a little bit again to button this, but I'm able to do it and it doesn't hurt that bad. It's kind of just a little bit uncomfortable, and it's also a full butt, or not a full butt, but it's cheeky. It's not really a thong in the back. So yeah, that's something to look out for if that's a deal breaker for you. I still really like the material. Again, I don't know what they're doing, but they're definitely stepping up their material, except for like one or two things in here. But at least like for knits and bodysuits, definitely, I don't know, I like this. This is comfy. I love a good neutral. Okay, then I have another pair of cropped, they're not acid wash, but they're like a gray, like a vintage gray. Does that make sense? I don't know. These are called Dress to Kill crop jeans, size 13 again. I do wish I would have gotten these in a 15, because if I would have known that they were kind of more like mom jeans, definitely would have sized up, but you know, they still fit, whatever. I just love the crop. I think I'm gonna be doing that for a bit. I like the style of them, and honestly, I may just probably sell these and just get a pair, but still, really cute, a vibe we love. Okay, here's where I get messy. I took this out of the bag and I was like, wow, y'all really did me like this. Y'all really did me like this. Y'all really did me like this. Basically, I got a Windbreaker set. Do we hear the sound of this? This literally feels like paper. I tried this on, it was so uncomfortable. It was literally, for some reason, kind of even hurting my arms. I don't know how. Not comfortable. It was supposed to be this really cute, I don't even want to say the name. Like, I don't recommend this to anyone, but this is called the Liana Lounge Windbreaker set. It's super thin. It's literally like paper. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know. There are no words coming out of my mouth right now. I literally do not know. The pants were still a little bit awkward in the crotch area, so I tried it on for like a minute and I was like, yeah, I never want to wear this again. But yeah, sorry to this man. If you know who that's from, I love you. It's a no for me, dog. It's a no for me. literally don't know what else to say. Do not buy this. It sucks. You hear that sound, it's just not cute. Not cute. Okay, this is different. I got a pair of leggings, and these are called the Tiana, sorry I burped, leather-like leggings. These are really stretchy, I am gonna say that. I put it on with a bodysuit. Not the best idea because you can see the creases, and this is leather, so leather, you can literally see everything. So if you're uncomfortable with your cellulite showing, I probably don't recommend, but I just really like the color, and I think they still, like, they're still very cute. They're decently high-waisted. Yeah, I still like them. They're just obviously on the cheaper side. Like, they're leggings, so they're not gonna be pants. They're not gonna feel like pants. They're unusually stretchy when you put them on, so you could wear this with like a sweater, like a slouchy sweater, and really treat it like leggings and not pants. Maybe even with that sweater dress that I had. So yeah, there's things to do with this, but it's not like the most amazingly flattering thing, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm kind of on the fence about it. I don't have anything like that, so I want to get out of my comfort zone. See, this is why you don't. This is why you stay in your little box. What's next? What's next? Ooh, okay, wait, oh my god, I forgot I got this. Okay, but it is a corset top. Look at how cute. A pastel pink. It has the little hooks right here. Super stretchy. I have a white one like this. The ties too, so you know, it has everything that a corset has. It's just flimsy as fuck because it's fashion. It's not an actual corset, you know what I mean? Love this. So what I would do with this is pair it with some really cute light wash mom jeans. God, it's such a vibe. I got this in a large. But yeah, not much to say about this other than it's just very cute. It is cropped, it cinches your waist. It just looks really cute. Then we have these jeans, and I feel like I have this pair already. This is called the Little Miss High Rise Distress jeans, size 13. I feel like I have them. I'm not sure why I feel that way, but the rips look hella familiar, and I might have them. I'll need to check, but it has distressing pretty much all over. Even an ankle right here has like frills. It has them everywhere, so they're really cute, you know. I like them. The waistband is a little bit on the tighter side. They feel a little bit thicker than your usual like stretchy denim. Feels like it's a little bit better quality. I'll have a couple more things. So this is a cute bodysuit. This is like a velour. Also got it in a size large. My only concern is the boobies, and if you have big boobies, you might not love this top because there's no support. Like, this is literally, okay, there's padding, but there's like literally no support, no wiring, nothing. On the inside it has like the little rubber, like the glue, supposed to help it stay there, but yeah, I'm not sure. It has it all the way around the seam, so it's supposed to help it stay up. We'll see, you know, I'll probably wear it when I go out and see. But I hate the clasp. It's like a full bottom. It's not really a thong, which I know some people like. I'm glad you like it, but it doesn't fit my butt. My butt is too big. It needs to be a thong. It's not long enough for it to actually close, but it fits everywhere else, so I'll probably just, honestly, I may just cut it and keep it as a crop top. Whatever. Okay, the last, of course, I got another pair of fucking jeans because it's like I can never get enough of these jeans. So these are called Up High Skinny Jeans. These are the size 13 dark denim. I actually don't really own a darker denim. They only have one slit right here at the knee. So nice and subtle. We like that. Just your typical skinny jeans. I don't have much to say. They're definitely stretchy. They're the stretch denim. I figured, why not? Let's get some more fucking jeans because that's literally all that I have. My closet is full of jeans. It's kind of ridiculous. I need to get rid of some. But I do like the other jeans that I got because they just add a little bit, you know, a little more spice. I think that's it. Is that it? Yeah, man, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're new. Hello, my name is Javi. I hope you have a wonderful day or wonderful night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.